Assalamu alaikum everyone, it is Rijana. I am graduated from Information Technology Management. In this course, I'm gonna teach you guys how to start coding using Python programming language. In this very beginning video, I'm gonna teach you some stuff theoretical about Python, what is Python, why should I use Python, why Python not another programming language, what Python can do for me. Okay, so our theoretical video will be about Python introduction. What is Python? Python is popular programming language. It's really famous these days. It was created by Guy Devan and released in 1991. It's used for web development, like server-side, and software development, and mathematics, and system scripting. If you ask me what Python can do, Python can be used on a server to create web application, and Python can be used alongside software to create workflows, and Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify and write files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping, for production-ready software development. If someone come and tell you, learn Python, you will tell him why Python? And he will answer you, Python work in different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, and so on. Python has simple syntax, similar to English language. You can understand it, not everyone, but if you're a programmer. Python has syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines of code. And Python run on interpreter system, mean that you write your code and it will run, you can be executing as soon as it's written, it's that easy. Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or functional way. What that mean? In your code, to organize your code, you can use functions, you can use OOP. Where's OOP? You can use classes and everything belong to OOP.